Good evening. It's about 6 o'clock. It's time for the evening meal and I am ready. So, I believe the tone will sound very shortly and I will go get my food.
식사 배달을 모두 마쳤습니다. 객실 문 앞에 도시락이 준비되어 있으니 천천히 맛있게 드십시오. 감사합니다.
I've finished the meal delivery is complete. A lunchbox is prepared in front of the room door, so please enjoy your meal slowly. Thank you.
送晚饭了，客厅门前准备好了便当，慢慢享用吧。谢谢。
食事の配達をすべて終えました。客室のドアの前にお弁当をご用意しておりますので、ごゆっくりお召し上がりください。ありがとうございます。
Раздача еды завершена. Откройте дверь своей комнаты. Возьмите коробку для завтрака, поставленную перед дверью, и медленно наслаждайтесь. Спасибо.
All right. Is it just me, or the robot speaking Russian? Isn't it a bit weird? Doesn't really matter at this point. I'm leaving on Monday. Can I say that again? I get to get out of here on Monday. 7 a.m. My goodness, it looks pretty deluxe today. There we go. Oh. All right, what do we have? Oh, I'll take these glasses off. See if we can find our food here. Okay, in this box we have salad dressing. We've got these little guys. Look how fancy. Ooh, fancy. Oh, I wish you could see it. It's fancy. And we got these orange discs. And a public safety alert from Korea saying there's coronavirus in Korea. Who would have guessed? All right. Now, in this box we have rice and then some pork medallions. They look very good today. And they're not bad. For the soup, oh, there we go. We'll clear that message. So much for that. So, for the soup, it has, I think it's bok choy. And the broth is bok choy broth, I think. Okay, we'll change up and try the orange things. Get our jumbo napkin going here. Oh, one more time. There we go. That soup got me. See if we can peel off one of these orange things from the pile. There we go. We have an orange thing. Some sort of pickled root. Let's see what we have for salad dressing today. Is it pink? Is it purple? It's a vinaigrette. No creamy salad dressing today. We have a vinaigrette. And there goes my napkin. Here we go. Try the vinaigrette salad dressing, and then we'll try the steamed dumplings next. All right. That really is just about the best salad dressing they've had here so far. Maybe it's because we're leaving. We get deluxe food until we leave. These are good too. It's got some sort of minced meat along with some vegetables. Very good. Let's sample the pork again. Well, I'm really going to give the chef full marks on dinner tonight. Really, he's on point. He or she. At this point, it's Korea. It could be he or she, but I'm assuming he today. We'll give him points. I'm sure they have female chefs in Korea, but I just haven't experienced too many Korean restaurants as of yet because they haven't let me out. Not till Monday. All right, enough of that. I'm gonna try the fruit drink. See if I change my opinion of the fruits that's in it. Still can't read Korean, so it's not giving me any clue on the bottle. Pineapple still dominates the flavors. Might be some other tropical fruits in there, but it's a tropical party in your mouth, except the party left early. I might say, if all the meals were like this, I may not consider leaving. I might just stay here for the rest of my life eating this. It's not bad. Compared to the other meals, I think this is my favorite. That pickled root is crunchy, but tasty. Let's see if the rice is extra special today. It's not like Mom would make it, if Mom was Korean, but it's good. Well, that's about it. I'm preparing to leave. Tomorrow is going to be a packing day. Wipe my face. And then after I'm done packing tomorrow, I'll retire for bed and wake up hopefully fully refreshed. So the plan is I'm going to number 1 station on the free shuttle. Then I'm going to take that number 1. So once I'm at number 1 station with the free shuttle, I'll get off and then look for some ground transportation to the hotel. Now that's the plan. I have an app that translates the American words for the hotel that I recognize into something one of the locals would recognize. So if I get to a taxi cab and show, hopefully I'll get there. because it's like, what is it called in Korean? I don't know. What's it look like? It's a hotel. So if it was the giant pink building in the middle of Seoul, then it would be easy. But it just looks like a hotel, so it's going to be hard to describe it, except show them the Korean address. And so they should be able to get me there. Then I'm going to check in my baggage at the hotel lobby desk and show them my reservation so they could hold all the luggage while I'm getting some errands done. Now that's the plan. We'll see how it works out. I'll report Monday afternoon sometime after I've taken care of all that. And then sometime Tuesday, someone will probably see how it all worked out. Now, there seems to be some New Year's celebrations both Monday evening and probably all day Monday, all day Tuesday, so that could be inconvenience to me. So I've got some errands. The main errands I'm going to take care of is I need to see the Chinese embassy about the visa application, make sure that that's taken care of. I need a photograph for that. So I will see if I can get a digital one along with a little printed one and see if I could do all that Monday. Now, if the Chinese embassy is also closed for the Lunar New Year, that could complicate things further because most likely they won't open until Wednesday when my flight is at 10 p.m. That gives me some time, but I don't know how long the approval process to make sure my visa application is completed. I was lacking, I could do everything except the photo. They needed a very recent photo. My passport's a few years old, so I didn't have a digital photo ready. I will have one in the future in my little phone, and the problem also is I need it to be the right resolution and the right scale and everything. It's just very complicated. So if I hand them the photo, they can scan it in and do whatever they want with it. Hopefully that works. Now, as far as anything I need for China, I do want a warm hat, so that's a sporting goods store thing, and there's a few other things I might need, so I will see if I can get those things taken care of. I would like some more 9-volt batteries. The sound system needs a 9-volt battery, so those are the things I'm looking for, and then also to have a little fun for the Chinese New Year. So after I'm done doing the errands, I'll check in to the hotel at the appropriate check-in time and see if everything works out very well for me. Now, since I don't want to eat the rest of the food on camera, we're going to sign out and then walk away. Wipe one more time, and the chime will sound in just a moment. Let's see, I think it's ready. There we go.
식사 배달을 모두 마쳤습니다. 객실 문 앞에 도시락이 준비되어 있으니 천천히 맛있게 드십시오. 감사합니다.
I've finished the meal delivery is complete. A lunchbox is prepared in front of the room door, so please enjoy your meal slowly. Thank you.
送晚饭了，客厅门前准备好了便当，慢慢享用吧。谢谢。
食事の配達をすべて終えました。客室のドアの前にお弁当をご用意しておりますので、ごゆっくりお召し上がりください。ありがとうございます。
Раздача еды завершена. Откройте дверь своей комнаты. Возьмите коробку для завтрака, поставленную перед дверью, и медленно наслаждайтесь. Спасибо.